I don't wanna think about tomorrow. I don't wanna talk about the end. I know that the time we have is borrowed. Tell me, is there more that you can lend? Maybe I'll feel different tomorrow. Maybe I will feel different tomorrow. Maybe I will feel different tomorrow.
Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and I'm in Grants Pass, Oregon, and I'm about to start on a 16-foot Pondless Waterfall project. So we have the central area, so the driveway goes around, and we're going to be building a 16-foot long Pondless Waterfall. We have 15 small aqua blocks, and we have a 5 to 9 SLD pump, and we're going to be pushing about 8,500 gallons of water through this. We have some really nice large granite boulders they're going to incorporate into here. I probably got too many, but I'm sure they won't mind if I place them around their property for some continuity.
Exactly. Get two birds stoned at once.
It's going to be really awesome. So we have 2.5 to 3 feet grade. So I'm going to have to dig these down, obviously. I'm going to dig out this whole section to kind of get it flat. Give me some scale. I'm going to use the dirt. And then I'm going to start building out my shelves a little bit, and I'm going to dig out, and I really want this to kind of twist and turn, and I'm going to have, because it's 9,000 gallons, I'm going to be able to really be pushing some water through and have a lot of really cool different falls. So I got a large 10,000 pound machine here to help move these boulders, and that's it. Yeah, let's get to work. All right, so I got the basin in, I got the sand down. I got my double layer of fabric to sandwich the liner and protect it. I got all the blocks in it, all 15 plus pump vault. And I also have my 3-inch line dug and buried so I can move on to start digging out the first shelf. And this first shelf is gonna allow me to flip the liner out, 'cause right now I'm using one piece of liner. So I'll be able to flip that out, dig out my first set of falls, because I'm gonna have probably about, I don't know, almost a 2-foot drop. So I'll be able to split that up into a couple falls, do switchbacks or whatever I can see with these rocks. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, so I got, first set of falls built, and I got part of the basin rocked in. And what I'm trying to do here is build as I go and do some of my edges, because otherwise I'll lose slack in my line up there. And it just becomes a pain, and then I gotta fill it with gravel, then I hate it. And so I'm backfilling with dirt as I go, and I'm building these falls. They're looking really cool. The bottom set is going to be like a bunch of little switchbacks, and I have this piece of wood that I got from their property, and I cut that in half with the excavator, and I'm going to kind of lay it along the edge there so it looks like it fell and broke. I want to make it look as natural as possible. I got another piece. I got a huge stump. I'm not sure if I'll incorporate it because it might be too big. It might be out of scale, but we'll see. So let's keep going. All right, so I'm working on the next set of falls. You know, I worked my way up, and some of these rocks are so big, I just have to dig out like big pieces. So I'm gonna use the machine and dig out kind of like this template where I want to put this really large rock, because I want the falls to be kind of cut back in a way so that, you know, they're different angles. They're not just all straight. But if they're too far of an angle, you can't see it, you know, which is cool for sometimes, but for this set of falls, I want it viewable from pretty much almost every angle, but I also want it to kick out from the side. So just got to use the machine sometimes. All right, that's a wrap. Got it all finished, got everything buttoned up. It looks fantastic. Got a little bit of moss on it. I am absolutely in love with this project. I hope you liked it too. You know, give me a like. That'll help me out in the algorithm, and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you really like my stuff, because I'll have more videos coming out of future pond builds and stuff like that. So thanks for watching. Peace.